In this tutorial video, we'll be going over the Halaal Souk shipping in a little bit more detail. The previous video just covered an overview of how shipping works in Halaal Souk. So go to your dashboard and then click on settings. So once on the settings page, click on shipping. And once now on the shipping page, you'll see all 9 of the zones that Halaal Souk delivers to. So your zone is essentially a province, and you will configure your shipping rates according to each province based on the location of your store. So right now, looking at this vendor's profile, we can see that there are currently 9 zones, 9 provinces essentially. This vendor is based in Gauteng, and they have the Halaal Souk local delivery by default on their default zone or location, and the other zones or provinces will have the national delivery rates. So if we go into Gauteng and just click on edit, we should be directed to the shipping methods section of the shipping page. So you see right now Halaal Souk local delivery is active and the local rates have been applied. If you don't want to use Halaal Souk delivery methods, you can just disable it and add your own, which we'll cover in the next tutorial video. But for now, when you enter your shipping module on your dashboard, you can just leave this as is if you want to use Halaal Souk shipping. If we go back to our zone list and we click on, for example, let's say Limpopo, which is a province that is outside the vendor's province, click on edit. You'll see that the Halaal Souk national delivery is applied here. So all the national rates for Halaal Souk delivery will be applied. If you don't want to use Halaal Souk national delivery, you can just disable it by clicking on the status button here, and it should disable it. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to leave it enabled. Alright, so that should cover the Halaal Souk shipping. So as a vendor, if you don't want to handle shipping by yourself, when you register with Halaal Souk, you can just leave your shipping methods as is, and the Halaal Souk rates will be configured for you by default just before your account gets activated. In the next tutorial video, we'll cover how to basically offer your customers local pickup option. So if you want customers to pick up items that they purchase at your address, we'll see how to set that up, and that will basically apply to customers within the same zone or province as your store.